about clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. All right, give me a high five. Yes. Okay, nice. So let's draw 2 clocks, all right? And then we can do, 12, 3, 6, and 9. Then we've got the same thing, 12, 3, 6, and 9. All right, so now clockwise is basically just like here, where it goes round this way, okay? So the little hand would go round the clock from going right, okay? Now, anti-clockwise is the opposite way round. So it goes round backwards, just round from the left, okay? So this is clockwise, going round to the right, and this way is anti-clockwise, okay? So now we've done that, now we're going to see, Jaden, do you think you can help the viewers at home do clockwise or anti-clockwise? So let's do 2 circles. And what I want you to do for me is in this one, draw the direction of anti-clockwise, all right? And you viewers at home, see if you know which way to go from the little video before. So, yes. Is that what you did at home? Let's hope so. That's anti-clockwise. Well done. And now on this one, can you do clockwise? All right. Yes, really good. So, thank you for watching another maths tutorial here today at Zap Maths. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.